Hi, this video will show you how to convert terminating decimal into vulgar fraction. In short, I'll explain what is terminating decimal and vulgar fraction and then we'll solve few examples. A decimal with finite number of digits or countable number of digits after decimal point is called terminating decimal. You can clearly see in all the examples they have finite number of digits after decimal point, that is 2, 3 and 1. What is vulgar fraction? A fraction whose denominator cannot be expressed as 10 or power of 10 is called vulgar fraction. For example, 2 by 42, 38 by 23, 6 by 87. Look through these examples. What do you notice? The denominator of all the fractions cannot be expressed as 10 or power of 10. Let us solve few examples. In first example, we have to convert 2.016 into vulgar fraction in its lowest form. We'll solve this step by step. First we will see digits before decimal point, that is 2. So we'll write 2 plus, now we'll see digits after decimal point. We have digits till thousands place, as this is 10th place, 100th place and thousands place. So we'll write 1000 in the denominator and 16 in the numerator. As 2 is a rational number, we can write 2 upon 1. So we'll write 2 upon 1 plus 16 upon 1000. We'll take the LCM of 1 and 1000, which is 1000 in the denominator, and 2 into 1000 plus 16 in the numerator, which will give 2016 upon 1000. This is a fraction which we have to reduce to its lowest form. For reducing it in its lowest form, we have to divide numerator and denominator with the same number. So here we'll start with the smallest number, which is 2, and we'll divide 2016 upon 1000 by 2, which will give 1008 upon 500. Numerator and denominator by 2. It will give 504 upon 250. Again we'll divide by 2. We'll get 252 upon 125. Now this can't be reduced further because 252 and 125 will not be divided by a same number. So this is our fraction, vulgar fraction in its lowest form. Let us solve another example. 0.65. In this we have 0 before decimal point. So we'll write 0 plus, we have digits till 100th place. So we'll write 100 in the denominator and 65 in the numerator. Further, we have to reduce this in its lowest form. So we'll divide numerator and denominator by 5. We'll give 13 by 20. This can't be reduced further. So this is a vulgar fraction in its lowest form. Thank you.